Hey guys, Natural Health Vibes here, giving you simple but yet sustainable health tips to make healthy a norm. Stick with me as I juice my celery. Celery juice has so many amazing benefits for the body that I will discuss in detail a little bit later. When you're juicing celery, the very first and honestly one of the most important steps is making sure the stalks are cleaned properly. Celery grows close to the soil, and the ridges can hold dirt, sand, and even tiny debris that you don't see at first glance. So I always start by pulling the stalks apart and giving each piece a good rinse under cold water. And I let the water run through every groove, especially near the base where the dirt hides the most. I take a soft veggie brush. If you don't have that, your fingertips will be fine to use. And you just gently scrub the stems. You don't have to scrub super aggressively, but just enough to loosen anything the water didn't catch. Another reason this step matters is because celery can pick up natural dust or debris during transportation and handling. A proper wash removes anything the celery may have come in contact with on its journey from the farm to your kitchen. And if you're juicing for health, hydration, digestion, or detoxing, you want the purest juice possible going into your body. When you drink cold pressed juice, the nutrients go straight to your bloodstream. That is a major benefit in drinking cold pressed juice. So you definitely, again, want to make sure that your fruits and veggies overall are clean and don't have any dirt on them. So this simple but yet important step is going to directly affect the quality, the smoothness, and even how your stomach feels after drinking your celery juice. So if your stomach hurts, it's probably because you still have some dirt on it. Once the celery is washed and dried, the next step is chopping. You don't have to make tiny pieces, but your juicer will work more efficiently and last longer if you give it manageable chunks. And I do have experience with this. Sometimes I've gotten lazy and I don't cut up my fruits and veggies in smaller chunks like I know how they need to be. And it definitely has taken a toll on my juicer. So again, if you want your juicer to last as long as it can, you have to build in time for this step to be able to properly cut up your veggies and your fruit. So this is something important to note. Even though celery is a softer vegetable, those long strands can sometimes wrap around the blades of your juicer if the pieces are too long. So trimming them down first saves you time later when you're cleaning the machine. And cutting the celery also gives you a chance to check the quality of each stalk. Sometimes the outer pieces might look perfect, but the inside ones can have soft spots or areas that need to be trimmed away. Taking a moment to inspect each piece ensures that everything going into your juicer is fresh and crisp. You want clean, firm pieces that will produce the brightest tasting juice. Now it is time to juice my celery with my trusty juicer. Let's talk about why celery juice has become such a beloved wellness staple. It's loaded with antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and K. It has natural mineral salts and compounds that help calm inflammation in the body. So if you're experiencing inflammation, you have an achy feel to your body, try drinking some celery juice. People drink it for all kinds of reasons. Some use it to soothe bloating, some drink it to aid digestion, and others love the way it supports clearer skin over time. Celery, it's extremely hydrating, which helps flush out your system first thing in the morning. It also provides a gentle detox effect without being harsh or overwhelming. The natural sodium clusters in celery help balance the fluids in your body and support gut health, which is why so many people noticed improved digestion after drinking it consistently. And if you're new to celery juice, don't feel like you have to jump straight into a full glass. Sometimes your body needs to adjust. I always recommend starting with about 4 ounces, just a small amount, to see how your stomach reacts because it can hurt your stomach. For some people, celery juice acts as a natural digestive wake-up call. So starting slow allows your body to receive the benefits without feeling overwhelmed. Once you feel comfortable, you can work your way up to 8 ounces or even 12 ounces a day. Now, here is the pulp. And the best part about juicing is you don't have to throw away anything. You can use the pulp to actually make something with. When you drink celery juice, it is best to drink it on an empty stomach because your body's going to absorb it quickly and puts those minerals to work right away. It's also going to prep your digestive system to break down the food throughout the day. I like to drink my celery juice nice and cold, so I'm going to pour it over ice. And there you have it, guys. If you're going to try celery juice, let me know. Like, subscribe, comment to tell me your experience.